Okay, y'all, so so many things has happened, honestly speaking, when coming to my hair as of late, and the truth is that I just haven't had time. That's the honest truth. I haven't had time, so let me show you guys what we are working with. Guys, look at my hair. Like, let me zoom in to show you guys how dry my hair. Look, do you guys see this face? This is like the titty crazy face. Like, why did you let your hair become like this? I don't know. You guys can shout at me all you want. Only this one time. Guys, do you see this? Do you guys see how dry my hair is? Look at that. Look at how dry my hair is. I don't know why I have been behaving this way, but look at my ends. And here I'm thinking that I want to grow my hair, you know, long. Where? With what ends? Look at these ends. Like, I have to trim my hair again because look at what I've done. Look at the proof is in the results, you guys. Look at what I've done. My hair is so dry. Like, at least it's clean, but it's so dry. It's so dry. Okay. I think we just need to get moisturizing because yeah. And to be moisturizing today, I'm gonna be just using normal water in here, but I did put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to put on some real leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to use O to the Motherland's Unicorn Tears. Both of these are from O to the Motherland. You guys know how much I love the products, and I still have some Unicorn Tears, so I'm going to be using this. Maybe I'll do like a twist out thing, I don't know, but I need my hair super like moisturized, and then either that or I'll just use shea butter. It really does not matter. I don't know, I'll see how I feel. So I'm just gonna use this. Do you guys know this bottle? This bottle is from, what do you call it? Is it Naturally Africa or whatever, something like that? This is that spray bottle. I used it, you know, I washed it, rubbed it with some alcohol, reused it, and this is what I use it for now. I like how it spritz, so that's that. So guys, let's start on this video because I don't want to make it long. Okay, y'all, so first things first, you're gonna have to make sure, okay, when I say make sure your hair is hydrated. If you can, jump in back in the shower and like drench your hair in water, because I feel like that's what I needed to do for this particular video, but I didn't. And then we're gonna move into some shea butter. So if you use oils, this is a great time for you to incorporate your oils. The only reason I have not been using oils is because I prefer to buy organic oils, and obviously sometimes, you know, those are like a bit pricey, but that's okay. I'm gonna be showing you guys my oils that I'm gonna be using for winter soon. I just don't know when, but I'll show you guys. Moisturize your hair, you know, and then afterwards you can put on your shea butter if you want, and then whatever cream it is that you're going to be using. So since that we are approaching winter, I would suggest that you start getting your moisture routine on lock. The reason for this is because your hair is going to dry out much faster. So I think some of you guys might actually opt for getting into a protective style, which is what I think I should probably try also for this year, because I've had my channel for almost 2-3 years now, and I've never done like a long-term protective style with you guys, you know, recording the journey and all that kind of stuff. You guys must let me know. Comment below, should I maybe try a protective style for winter, like box braids? I'm thinking that because I can braid them myself, simple, easy, you know, I can do that. So you guys must let me know if we should do a protective style and then do like a moisturizing series for winter. And then what you guys saw also in this video is that I'm focusing most of the shea butter on my ends, because my ends are not okay, guys, and I think I have to trim my hair again. I'm pretty upset with, actually I'm not upset, because at the end of the day I'm doing the best that I can, and sometimes my hair just doesn't get that kind of attention that it requires. So that's that, okay? So just put your hair up in twists and you should be good to go. You guys must let me know how you're moisturizing in winter time, because I think I'm going to be doing a twist out. I'm not really stressed about the application of things, but obviously still focusing on the consistency of each product. So you guys must let me know, are you using LOC? Are you switching it up? Are you using LCO? What's going on? Alrighty, you guys, so I am done. I feel so good right now. Like, you know when your hair's done and you just feel good? That's how I feel right now. I feel amazing. I feel like I'm ready to take over the world. You know, I realized something right at the end as I was doing my last twist, and I was like, oh, I'm so upset with myself, because normally I do a 3-strand braid for my roots so that they are stretched, and then I twist, right? Today it completely slipped my mind, and I just twisted my hair from the roots till the end, so it's a bit like shorter, but it's fine. I still like it. It's not a problem. But I think what I will do is I'm going to 3-strand my twists into like little sections, and then let them dry that way so that they can be a bit stretched from the roots. And also I'll have some length, so because I just want length, and you guys know that when you do a twist out, not a twist out but just a normal twist, your hair is not going to be like super stretched as much as it would have if it was a 3-strand braid. And I think I've done the difference in like a previous video, like 2 years back or something. I'll see if I can find it. I just added here for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about, because your hair, you're not going to get the same amount of stretch. So let me give you guys close-ups. Do we love or do we love? I think this is Lacquer Moisturize now. If you know anyone had doubt that my hair will not be able to be moisturized again, do we love it or do we love it? You guys must let me know, because I think this is probably my best work yet. It's been a while since I've done like a proper twist. You can still see a bit of the shea butter. If my camera could actually film. Oh, look at those ends. Did you guys see that? Look at those. Look at those. Y'all cannot fight me. Like, look at the beauty. Oh, this hair just amazes me all the time. You guys see that? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys must let me know which winter styles are you guys rocking. Yeah, so you guys must let me know in the comment section which winter hairstyles you guys are going to be rocking, because you guys know me, you know, winter time means I'm going to be keeping my hair in twists most of the time. But I have some really cool, amazing styles that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. We're just not going to be doing twists because, you know, I mean, that can be a bit boring, and not everybody has like enough length for twists, because then they become like quite small, and some people don't really like that. So I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to be sharing really affordable, easy, you don't have to be a hairstylist, styles that you guys can create at home, and you can get very comfortable, you can get very creative with them. So I don't want to make this video too long, because I don't do long videos anymore, you know. So yeah, so this is my twist. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. I think I'll probably do like my favorite hairstyle, which is like always wearing my hair up like this. It just does something to my face that I absolutely love. So I'll probably do this, go lay my edges, whatever. And yeah, man, so I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.